Hello? If you own a food business in India, renewing your FSSAI license is a legal requirement to continue operations smoothly. The Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, FSSAI, mandates that food businesses maintain valid licenses to ensure food safety, hygiene, and regulatory compliance. Failure to renew on time can lead to penalties, fines, or even suspension of business activities. At Filings Corner, our team of experts, CAs, CSs, MBAs, and legal professionals ensures a hassle-free FSSAI license renewal for your food business. Why FSSAI license renewal is important? Here's why FSSAI license renewal is critical for your business. Avoid penalties and business disruptions. Operating with an expired FSSAI license can lead to heavy fines and legal issues. Maintain consumer trust. A valid license proves that your food business follows safety and hygiene standards. Uninterrupted operations. Timely renewal ensures your business continues legally without disruptions. Ensures compliance with the FSSAI Act 2006. Stay compliant and avoid suspension by meeting all food safety regulations. Types of FSSAI licenses and renewal process. There are 3 types of FSSAI licenses, each with a different renewal process. 1. Basic FSSAI registration. 2. State FSSAI license. 3. Central FSSAI license. Filings Corner ensures a smooth renewal process based on your specific FSSAI license type. Step-by-step FSSAI license renewal process. Here's a step-by-step process for FSSAI license renewal. 1. Initiate renewal 30 days before expiry. 2. Complete renewal form. 3. Submit required documents. 4. Verification by FSSAI authorities. 5. Receive renewal certificate. 6. Post-renewal compliance. Filings Corner handles everything from document preparation to renewal approval, ensuring compliance with FSSAI regulations. Documents required for FSSAI license renewal. You'll need the following documents for FSSAI license renewal. Existing FSSAI license copy. Business owner's ID proof, PAN, Aadhaar. Registered business address proof, utility bill, rent agreement. Food Safety Management System, FSMS. Plan, if applicable. Self-declaration form as per FSSAI regulations. Inspection reports, if required. Missing documents? Don't worry. Filings Corner assists in collecting and preparing all required paperwork. Post-renewal compliance. After renewal, you must comply with the following requirements. Regular audits and food safety inspections. Maintaining hygiene and FSMS. Periodic filings and reports. Consumer safety and complaint handling. Filings Corner provides ongoing legal and compliance support to keep your business 100% FSSAI compliant. Timeline and cost of renewal. Processing time, 7 to 15 working days, depending on verification and approvals. Cost includes government renewal fees, compliance checks, documentation support. How Filings Corner helps you. At Filings Corner, we ensure stress-free FSSAI license renewal with expert consultation, complete documentation assistance, FSSAI application and approval management, post-renewal compliance support, multiple package options available, call to action, empowering close. Get in touch with us today or visit www.filingscorner.com to renew your FSSAI license without hassle. Filings Corner, making food business compliance smooth, legal, and successful.